going on, YouTube? How you guys doing? Today I'll be reviewing a battery that I got off Amazon for my golf cart. Got this, I ordered it on Friday. It is now Sunday. I received it probably about like an hour ago, and I was like, perfect timing, because I want to throw it in my golf cart, but I want to do a review on this first. So let's open it up and check her out. So this is how I got it, straight from the box. And if it gets shipped to you, this is most likely how it's going to get shipped. The box is pretty heavy. It's around like 63 pounds, I think it said. So put this knife up before I cut myself. Bam. So this is the OGRPHY, I'm pretty sure I'm butchering it, battery. It is a 38 volt 100 amp hour battery. This thing is nice. Okay, so it comes with a good owner's manual. Nice, thick. So I ended up purchasing this, I believe, for around $630, I want to say. It was not Amazon Prime, it was anything. It wasn't like a deal. So this is just straight off of Amazon. Wait, you would just get on a regular day. So I'm pretty sure it'd be cheaper any other day. So, or on like Prime Day or something like that. So let's see here. Comes with tops and bolts. Nice bag. This is the charger for it. I'm gonna sit down. So this is the charger for it. Manual. So this is what's going to be going inside the golf cart. Nice and sturdy. So like it comes with the pigtail, so that's going to be actually what's plugged into the battery and plugged into this. And let's see here. Oh, okay. It just fell. So plugged together, 110. Really nice build quality. We're going to be doing a full range test on this battery. This is, like I said, it's a OGRPHY battery, and we're going to be testing it out, doing a full discharge out of it. I can't open it up because it is a fully sealed battery, so I would show you the inside to see what it looks like, but it's sealed. If I get enough attraction to it, I will take it apart and I'll look at inside the battery too, if that's something that you guys want. It does have a 200 amp hour or amp BMS with a 1,000 watt or 1,000 amp peak current. So for about 3 to 5 seconds. So that's like when you're floored. This is a really nice battery. So it is a P04 battery. So it's not the 18650 batteries. It's the bigger cells. So that's nice. The 18650s are good too. That's like what Tesla originally used in their cars, but then they switched. Now they do like these round ones. I forgot what they're called, but it's not the P04s. So yeah, this is really nice. So we're gonna put this back. Let's put it in here because it'll be going into my golf cart in about an hour. So put that off to the side. Let's pull this out. Comes with nice handles. Oh, what's this? Let's see what this is. Oh, it's the battery monitor. I forgot all about this. Okay, so this is the battery monitor. It'll be in place, and this is what's going to be like on the dash of your golf cart with the battery shunt. So this gets put in place, and it's a shunt. So what it does, it reads the current that's going through to actually give you an estimate on your battery voltages. So the wire. Let's look at the screen. Nice little screen. So I will put this in my golf cart and I'll make it flush mount. It'll look really good. Nice. It comes with a little manual. It does have some USB to USB. I don't know what that's all about. I'm assuming that's, yeah, so USB, and this is how it reads it. So alrighty, the shunt's big. I'm kind of upset. This should have like a case around it. I mean, I feel like that would be, you know, optimal is to have a case around it, but it does not. I'm going to be getting a lot more batteries, so I'm going to be trying out different batteries too, because what I'm going to be doing, I have those 3 golf carts that I do have. I'm going to be fixing them up. They all need batteries, so I'm going to be at least doing 3 review on some batteries. So let's pull this out. So this is it. It's a 5-year warranty, so that's really good for a battery. And like I said, I'm super stoked for it. We're gonna throw it in. We're gonna do a test. We're gonna a range test, so we're gonna figure out how many miles actually I could get to this thing. My golf cart's stock, so this is gonna be your stock Easy Go 36 volt, and we'll go from there. Alright guys, so this is my review on the OGRPHY, I keep murdering it, battery off of Amazon. $630. We're gonna see if it's worth it. So far looks like it is. It's really nice build. So alright guys, make sure you like and subscribe, and if you want more content like this, please let me know and we'll keep making some more. Thank you. Bye.